Your car's engine produces power, but without a transmission, that power would be useless. So how does your car turn engine speed into smooth movement? The answer is the transmission. Engines work best within a specific RPM range. A transmission allows the engine to stay efficient while the wheels change speed. It multiplies torque and controls how power reaches the wheels. A manual transmission uses a clutch and gears. This allows gears to be changed manually using the gear lever. When the driver presses the clutch pedal, the engine disconnects from the wheels. Higher gears allow efficient cruising at higher speeds. Manual transmissions offer control, simplicity, and strong mechanical connection. Automatic transmissions remove the clutch pedal. Instead, they use a torque converter filled with transmission fluid. This allows the engine to keep running while the vehicle is stopped. Inside, planetary gear sets change gear ratios automatically. Hydraulic pressure and electronic control decide when to shift gears. A CVT works differently. It does not use fixed gears. Instead, it uses a belt running between two adjustable pulleys. As speed changes, the pulleys change size, creating infinite gear ratios. This provides smooth driving and convenience, especially in traffic. This allows the engine to stay at the most efficient RPM at all times. CVTs focus on efficiency and simplicity. CVTs improve fuel economy but feel different from traditional gear changes. Automatic transmissions offer comfort and smooth shifting. Manual transmissions give control and durability. Each transmission serves a different purpose, but all do the same job, delivering engine power efficiently to the wheels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. For more of these videos,